Hi guys, welcome back. This time we are going to work on a Git project like logging in into our GitHub account, clone, edit and push our code right from here within the VScode app. So let's start by logging in. Click here in the left corner gear icon. Now command palette. Type here git clone and now clone from git like this. This way we can log in our GitHub account easily. Allow. Copy this code. Open this link. Open. Now enter your username and password. Click sign in. Continue. And now paste this code. Paste. Continue. Authorize. All set. Now back to the. We are logged in and going to clone the repo. Here we have sample code repo. Click and choose the location. This Git, we are going to clone it in this location. Okay, we are cloning. Click cancel, otherwise everything in workspace will be messed up. Cancel. And as you can see, we have this repo here in our Git folder. In the previous video, we discussed about the file system of app, this Git directory, Git folder, and about this VScode folder. Now let's make some changes. Any file, like in calculator file, anything, just random. And we have here, and now we will commit this change. Just commit. We got this error message. It's basically saying we have to declare our username and email through terminal. It's the first time requirement after logging into GitHub account. So open the terminal. First we have cancelled this. I'll explain you later why is it required. Open this terminal, click here. We got this log from the Git. Click on these three dots. So solution to this annoying, click on this button. It hides the keyboard and you can go to terminal and you have to enable it again and type. Right now I'm on the Git official documentations, and here we have the reason to this error. It's saying this this information goes with your commit, so your team knows who have done this commit, who pushed that commit, this name and the email. So I'll copy it. It's really important if you are in a team, so type this very carefully. I'm gonna replace it with my name. You have to be your own. I will put that command in description, YouTube description. Check that out. You don't need to visit this site. Copy this second one. Make sure to replace and be careful. It's just one-time requirement. remove the terminal, back to here, commit the changes, sync, and we successfully managed to push our changes. So phase 1 of this video is completed. We log into our GitHub account, declare our variable username and the mail, then we clone the repo, made their changes and push that successfully. Now let's begin with phase 2 of this video, and it's about managing our device project. If you have a project from your PC and move into a device, and then how we're gonna work on that, and how we have to push, and what's the limitation on Android. First of all, we should remove this, delete permanently. No more mess. Here I have this Moon project. I explained in the previous video about file system of Dev. Must check that. It's about managing your device files from the app. And here we have in the device storage, this folder like document, we have VScode folder, and I moved my project from PC to here. It's not a Git project, so let's initialize it. Initialize this repo, choose a folder, Moon project, initialize. So make sure to cancel this, don't click open, otherwise this gonna be a mess. Manage save repos. So we successfully initialized the project, and let's push this, commit, and we have the issue here. It's the Android file system issue. I explained in detail in the previous video. We can't use the Git related commands features in our device storage. This VS Code folder is in our device storage, and this project is under this folder, and we can't push it to GitHub from here. So we have to move this into our Git, paste it, and it's in Git. As you can see, it's the empty and it's in Git. And let's do this again. Initial commit. Yeah, we successfully now commit this. We can push this branch without any issue. Private. We successfully pushed our repo to GitHub account, and this was PC project. I moved from there to a device storage, and then as you can see. And now make sure you move your project from Git folder into VS Code, so it don't get deleted with app uninstall. Let's move from here. First let me show you the VS Code folder in our internal storage. Here it's empty, and we're gonna move this and paste. Here we have, it's now safe. So to wrap up the phase 2, we learned how we can use a Git features for a project which is in internal storage by moving it into Git folder. So that's for today. See you guys in the next one.